So what are you doing today? What's your idea?
I'm just making a Lego shark.
Lego shark.
Yeah.
Oh. Can you show it to me later?
Not yet done.
Okay.
Finish.
While you're doing this, I'm gonna make a video with you.
You can make a time lapse if you want.
Yeah, time lapse. That's my idea. Okay?
You
So
don't.
time lapse starts now. So hi guys, kamusta kayo? So today, bibigyan lang natin ng time yung ating mga kids para isama sa labas, makipaglaro, no? Kasi alam nyo yung paglalaan ng oras kasama ang mga bata ay isang mabisang paraan din upang mabawasan ang kanilang paggamit ng gadgets. So, how's your creation? Can I see?
It's done now.
It's done. Can I see? Can you show it?
Bah.
Is it what? Is it what?
This is a shark.
Shark with
And
flippers?
it can move.
Flippers and wow, there's a mouth.
It can move everywhere.
Even the jaws can move, right?
Yeah.
You're brilliant, man. I don't even know if I could do that. It's great. Good job. Good job. Good job, bro. Good job, bro.
Yeah.
So how about your kid? How's your creation? What's that?
It's a gun.
It's a gun. Can I see? Machine gun with what is that? What is that called? I don't know what is that.
A trigger.
A trigger or something? That's great. Good job, man. Good job, dude. Bruh. Good job, bruh. Oh, man. Wala pa si Barber. Break time. So we need to wait. We need to wait. How are you?
Good.
Anong mo? Haircut mo? We're gonna use the razor na ha. Because you're already 7 years old. Razor na. Ito kuya, yung same ng haircut ko na lang. Ha? Okay? Sige. So sa halip na nakatutok sila sa screen, maaring gawin ng mga activities like yung mga paglalaro ng mga traditional na mga laro natin, mga Pilipino. Kagaya na lang ng paglalaro ng mga piko o patintero o kaya simpleng bonding tulad ng pagbabasa ng libro, no? At paggawa ng mga crafts. Mahalaga rin silang isama sa mga gawain sa bahay upang matutunan nila ang responsibilidad upang sila ay matuto na rin ng mga gawaing bahay habang sila ay nag-enjoy, ano. Sa ganitong paraan, hindi lamang nababawasan ang screen time, kundi napapalakas din ang samahan at komunikasyon sa pamilya. Before